Hi, Mason here with Stock Up 42, and today we are going to look at the cheapest and most profitable cryptocurrency miners.
Mr. Mason Putnam. Hi man, I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. Roll the intro, man.
There are many different cryptocurrency miners on the market. The facts are that most are really expensive, there are a lot of scams, they increase your power bill dramatically, and most take an average of a year to earn back what you initially paid for the miner. Not to mention the ones that are affordable, people with significant amounts of money rush out and buy them all up. That or they seem ridiculously complicated and the average person gives up before they even start. Lucky for the average person like me and you, there is a network that helps. If you're not the average person like me, there's a donation link in the description of the video. LOL. The name of the network is Helium. The Helium Hotspot miners are typically sold for under $600, usually around the $400 to $500 range. Great thing about the helium miners is they use only around 12 watts of power, so there's not going to be a noticeable increase in your power bill. They typically pay for themselves in the first month of operating them. There are a few downsides to the helium hotspot miners worth mentioning. In order to get one, you will have to pre-order them. They are in such high demand that you can expect to wait at least a couple months to get one. You can get them from places like eBay or Amazon, but you can expect to pay at least twice as much, and there are a lot of scams, so be careful if you order from places like this. I will put links to the best websites to order from in the description of the video. The average earnings vary day by day and can range typically between $5 to $50 a day. You can own more than one, but they need to be around 900 feet away from each other. The Helium network rewards you with the Helium coin cryptocurrency. They pay you for providing coverage for the network. In order to provide more coverage, they need to be separated. The hotspot miner provides information to smart devices so they work more proficiently and helps with 5G coverage. Instead of Helium paying for large radio towers, people like you and me provide them with millions of small radio towers to transmit data. One way to get around the 900 feet separating issue is to offer nearby neighbors a little money every month to let you install one at their home. Some of the best Helium miners are the Bobcat 300 and Linxdot hotspot miners. More hotspot miners. Your hotspot miner connects to, the higher your earnings. You can check the Helium hotspot coverage map to see how many devices are near you. You can easily find the Helium hotspot coverage map by searching online. I will put a link in the description of the video to a cloud-based mining app that I have made thousands of dollars worth of crypto with. With the coin app you can earn crypto by walking, driving, playing mini games, and taking surveys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with your friends on Facebook. This has been Stock Up 42. Remember to put God first, and until the next video, let's stock up together.